Hello darlings, and welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ahoufe Darocha. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. So today's video is going to be another beautiful hair review. Today I'm going to be talking about Queen Plus hair on Amazon. So they sent me this gorgeous unit. This is the Peruvian Kinky curly, and I'm in love, guys. I'm in awe. Like, this hair, I don't even have to talk. Like, it's just look at it. Just look at the beauty of this hair. Like, I don't even have to say anything. This hair is bomb. Okay, so let me start. Shipping was very fast. It came within 3 to 4 days. Lucky me, like, I've never had any problem with shipping. Like, I always get my hair on time. Like, they don't waste time. No funny smell, minimal shedding. I do find that curly hair does shed more than straight hair and body wave. So there were you know, a bit of shedding, but minimal. And the hair is just so soft. Like, I run my fingers through, no knots whatsoever. Like, the hair is just so luscious. I'll say it's about 180 to 200 density, so it's quite full, but it's very light, and that's what I love about it. It's light, beautiful, and soft. It's a lace frontal as well. Very nice. I've had the knots bleached, and the parting goes back quite a bit, which I love. As I always say, I love a parting that goes far back, and so it does that for me. And yeah, this hair is just gorgeous, guys. Like, if you're looking for, I don't know, but for me, I find out the perfect hair for summer is curls. Am I right? Yes. Yeah, I find that curls is the perfect vacation summer hair. So ladies, if you're looking for luscious, quality, beautiful curls, but reasonable, look no further. Click the link down below and get ordering. My reviews are always honest. Yes, I get the hair sent to me free, but they always tell me to leave an honest review, and that's what I do. I always give an honest review. So none of the hair, luckily, none of the companies that I've worked with, I've never had any bad issues with any of their hairs. Like, I've always had good hair, so I can't lie on here and say the hair was bad when I know that the hair is good. It works well, and I'll only review a hair that is good. So this hair is just so beautiful, and I advise that if you're looking for curly, affordable, quality but lovely, beautiful, light curly hair, then check them out down below. And they're very affordable. The hair is just stunning. I don't even know what else to say about this hair. It's just so stunning. Like, the hair is just gorgeous. All I've done is I've put water in it to define the curls, and that's it. You're good to go. Just put some water in it, run some water through your, you know, through the hair. I didn't have to comb it, brush it, nothing. I just used my fingers. I find that using comb or a brush sort of makes the hair more puffy and frizzy, and you don't want that. It makes it dry as well. So just wet it and add a bit of conditioner with your fingers, and that's it. You're good to go. Like, it's that simple. I can't fault this hair. This hair is just beautiful, guys. It's just so stunning. It's so stunning. I love it. Woo! Ooh. Let me come closer and give you guys a proper view of this hair. If you do purchase the hair and you've worn it a bit and you've had a good experience with the hair, please do leave a comment down below. Let me know how this hair works for you. And if there's anything I've left out, please leave it in the description box and I will answer you as soon as possible. I'm always here if you need me. And yeah, this is my honest review on this beautiful, gorgeous hair. I won't even waste your time. Like, you just look at it and you just know if the hair is just bomb. It's beautiful. I've been out and I've had people stopping me about this hair. So yeah, it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful hair, guys. Definitely something to invest in. So I will leave their details down below for you to check them out. And yeah, this is my honest review on Queen Plus hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.